I'm Jennifer at Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here because I just arrived on the Caribbean Princess ship, and I cannot wait to give you a tour of my stateroom. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Our room looks great, and it has so much storage. I'm super excited about that. And it has a wonderful view right off the balcony. We have an extended balcony, and it'll give us a little more room to get around. And our friends are in a adjoining cabin, so we have an open door in between the two balconies, and we can share the balconies and come back and forth and visit with each other throughout the cruise. And here is our stateroom. This is where we enter, and then we come into the room, and we have a really nice cozy queen bed. There's a very practical desk with drawers and a chair.
I get lost in your deep blue eyes, like a shell in the sea. I fall in love over and over when you're looking at me.
We have a mini refrigerator
And all that will be.
and a really large TV.
Through all of the hard and the good times, it's you and me. Time moves.
This is our bathroom with shelves for all of our products, and we have a really nice size shower.
Nothing better than this. We could be forever, just never give up
This cabinet has lots of shelves, and it even has a safe.
together, 'cause you are my love.
We have so many hangers and so much hanging space, we couldn't believe how much there was. There's even a really nice shelf above, and we'll have adequate storage underneath to put all of our shoes and even our luggage. This is our extended balcony, and we have 2 chairs, ottomans, and a table.
I remember when you told me I was the one. Through the years as we picked up the pieces.
I am so happy you were here. I really appreciate it so much, and I would love for you to click the like button and subscribe. And I'll have more cruise videos coming up soon. I'm going to get unpacked and get up to the top deck so that I can be ready for the sail away party. I'll see you next time.